Rosie and the volcano. It was a nice day at the castle. Only but today, they're building a new dinosaur park. Rosie wants helping. Alright, that's done, Rosie. Let's go. Thank you. Samson and Harvey putting up the dinosaurs. Harvey didn't like dinosaurs. They thought they're too scary for him. Samson, what type of dinosaur is this? Oh, a Triceratops. But you said that's a Triceratops. What with the horns? Samson didn't like it. Silly. Got muddled up. Oh, that is Tyrannosaurus Rex, king of the dinosaurs. Harvey didn't like the look of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. He's scary. He's scary. Then, whoa! You got scared, Rosie. It's a scary engine. It's not real, Rosie. It's a model. I knew that. Haha, scary engine. Rosie didn't like scary. Rosie went back to talk to the Earl. Oh, I see. You're not a scared, silly little engine, Rosie. You're a clever engine. Very quick, too. Thank you. I got another job for you, Rosie. What is it? Can you cut them little sticks to make a bonfire? Okay, sir. So Rosie went away. Soon, Samson and Harvey still putting up. Samson, what type of dinosaur is this? Ha! That's not a dinosaur. That's a volcano. There are a lot of volcanoes off in the dinosaur times. Okay, what's a volcano? A volcano built like a mountain, but it blew a big fireball. You got scared, Harvey. Scary engine. Rosie saw Harvey was scared. Then she had an idea. We'll see who's scary engine now. She puffed. Soon, Rosie got all the wood sticks. Where you will make the bonfire? I think it's a volcano. Okay. Rosie waits for Samson and Harvey to came out. Alright, Tom. There, let's go and dance. Samson's like, whoa! What? Why you stop something? The volcano! It's erupting! You said that would be a volcano! No, look! Oh no! Call Hell! Call Flynn! Call the rescue center! Hell! Silly big engines. That! Watch out, Rosie, dangerous! That's not a volcano. It was only a model. Ah, that's not the real volcano. I knew that. Now you were scared. I was scared. I was just panic. Oh, hear about Rosie playing a trick on something Harvey. He was very drunk. I'm sorry, sir. I have to say that because they call me a silly little engine. You're not a silly little engine, Rosie. You're a clever engine. Oh, sorry, Rosie. That's a good idea. Put the volcano. Let's go. See how it works. Okay. Doom. The dinosaur. Are you ready for the tour, Steven? Oh. Yep. I'm ready to do the tour around a dinosaur park. I hope it's not as fun for my mother. Oh, let's see. Rosie did a good job. I'll show you. Wow, I like the long neck. I like one with the four. Oh, that's not a real dinosaur. It's only a model. And then the prize is a volcano. Listen, like a real volcano. It's not real good. He's scared. Roar! Roar! The end.